Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a good one. It's so good. There's a couple items here that I really wanted to share on my Instagram stories, but I didn't. I was being good. I held it out to this video because I didn't want to spoil, but some of these items are so good. This is the Amazon must-haves that you need for spring, summer 2021. So if you want to see what my Amazon picks are, then keep on watching. Okay, first up, pull out your phone, pull out your laptop. You're going to want to start adding these to your cart as I go through because they are so good. So first up are these laundry bags. They come in a pack of 3 and they're usually for delicate items. But what I do is I love to throw all my dirty beauty blenders in them and then throw them in the washing machine. I do not have time to wash each beauty blender individually. I just don't have that much time in my life. I've heard that the washing machine ruins your beauty blenders, but that's why your girl buys cheap ones, and they're not meant to last forever anyway, right? So I just fill them up in here. If you can kind of see, they're all in there. And just zip it closed and throw them in the washing machine. It makes your life so much easier. But in this set, you do get 3 of them. They're all the same size. And they are large enough to fit a pair of sneakers or something like that, which I love, and they're super affordable. I think they're around $6 or so. So this is a must-have if you go through beauty blenders like crazy, if you just have a lot of delicate items that you need to wash. Definitely pick those up. They're great quality. They are thicker. They're not like flimsy mesh. They are amazing. And speaking of beauty blenders, I do love the Beauty Blender brand. It's really good, but the price is like $20 for just one, and I go through them like crazy. When I have my acrylics on, I poke holes in them like crazy. So I've been on the hunt to find some really good ones that are good dupes, and your girl found some. So first up is this by Hygeia Beauty. You do get 5. I used one this morning, but they are very soft like a beauty blender. I will say that when they are dry, they are a tiny bit bigger than the normal beauty blenders. This is the Beauty Blender brand. This is the ones I found on Amazon. Now, when you compare the softness or hardness of the two, Beauty Blender is like a hair softer. Not a big difference, you know, if you're doing it on a scale of like 1 to 5, 5 being super soft, Beauty Blender being, let's just say a 5. This is like a 4. So they're really not that big of a difference. And then when you get it wet, this is what they look like. Very, very soft. Love them. They are so good, and I think that they are so worth the money. Like I said, you do get 5, and I think they're $6 or something. They're great. I'll list everything down below because I'm not sure of prices. And then these I love as well. This is a 10 kit of beauty blenders, or I should say sponges, because they're not the Beauty Blender brand, but you know, sponges. And I love that they come in all different fun colors. And this is the second pack of these that I purchased. I love them. When you compare them to the other ones on Amazon that I got, the first pack I talked about, they're a little bit bigger. The tip is a little bit more pointy, whereas these ones, they are a little bit shorter. The tip is more rounded. As far as softness, they're, I would say about the same. So they're not too far off, but this box of 10, you do get a better value. You get 10 for I think $7 or $8 versus 5 for $6 or $7. But I go through sponges like crazy, so I love to buy ones. But these 2 brands are ones that I've repurchased over and over again because to me, they are very similar to the Beauty Blender sponge. And I just love them, and they come in such fun colors. So what's not to love? Next up is this electric lighter. Now you're probably wondering, like, Why an electric lighter? I love that you can recharge it. It does come with a USB cord, and it's just, I'm going to demo it for you guys. So it does have a on-off switch right here and then a power button. So you just swipe it up and then you push the power button and it just lights like that. It does almost look like a teaser, like my boyfriend said. You can see the kind of like the electrical charge, if you will. We do have another lighter that is just kind of your standard lighter for lighting candles, but I like this one much better. The neck is bendable, flexible, whatever you want to call it. So it just makes lighting candles easier. That's why we use them. And I just love it. And for 10 bucks, it's amazing. So the fact that you don't have to refill it or anything, genius. So if you're like me and you love to make a to-do list for yourself every day, but you don't always want to use your planner, I found these to-do list notepads on Amazon. I love them. They're just super simple, super basic, just what I wanted. It says to-do list. It has the date, your top 3 priorities for the day, things to do. And then it has your water intake, self-care, and notes. It's super easy. You just rip them off when you're done. But I love having this on my nightstand, at my computer desk, anywhere where I just need to make a note real quick. I love them. They're super handy, and it just helps me stay on track with items that I need to get accomplished for the day. I'm going to move on. I'm going to move on to sunglasses because I think Amazon has some bomb sunglasses. I have purchased so many Amazon sunglasses, and you guys, these ones are so good for summer. So you guys know I've talked about these ones a million times. They're kind of my go-tos on a day-to-day basis. But when I saw these for summer, I was like, girl, yes, they're so good. So first up are these Gucci inspired sunglasses. This up top is more of a pink, like a watermelon pink, and then it has the Gucci colors of green and red. I think they are so cute for by the pool. You're going shopping, going to lunch with your girlfriends. I just love these. I think they're so amazing. So these are a definite must-have for summer. But then when I saw these, I was like, girl, give me one of every freaking color. They're so bomb. It is the mirrored sunglasses. Oh my gosh, they're so reflective. They are so like Tron vibes, like don't bother me vibes, like I'm not wearing makeup vibes, so I'm hiding from people vibes, you know, you catch my drift, but they're so freaking cute. I love big sunglasses. Especially ones that will cover kind of like my outer eye area, just because I don't want crow's feet, nothing like that. These are so good. The arms are metal. The face area is plastic, so it doesn't take off your makeup too bad. Obviously, if you're in a super hot climate and you're sweating, then your makeup's gonna come off naturally. But I think they're so cute for summer, and I love the mirrored effect. Then, of course, I had to buy the silver version. These, oh God, I love these. It's like cop vibes. I don't know. It's a vibe, right? It's such a vibe. And I love them. I'm so obsessed with these. I love them. So if you're in the market for sunglasses, these 4 are just, you need them for summer. And the best part is I think the most expensive pair were like 16 bucks. Super bargain. Okay, so let's move on to my all-time favorite item right now. Okay, so this is the one I got. This is a dupe for the Bottega Veneta bag. And let me tell you, the leather is so soft. Like it feels like a butter. And I was not expecting that. The chain, you guys, is so flippin' heavy. It is a metal chain, and I was super curious about it, so I actually took it off because the straps do come off. They just clip into this little loop. So I took the chain off, and I weighed it. It's like slightly over a pound. So this chain is heavy, but in a luxurious way, not like, ugh, my shoulder's killing me heavy. This has so much room in it. Like, I could fit my phone. I could fit so much more stuff than what it looks like in here. I love this. And the bag closure isn't magnetic, but it has these kind of like bent wires. So when you push it together, it's like clamshell, just shuts. But it is so good. And when I first saw this bag, I instantly became obsessed. Sorry, I'm like putting my stuff back. So when I first saw this bag, I instantly became obsessed. When I unboxed it, the packaging that came with it was amazing. It was wrapped like 8 times and beautiful, beautiful bag. I think it was $42, literally worth every penny. And it got me so excited. I ordered it in, they call it apricot, which that doesn't look like an apricot to me. It's like a beige, but I ordered it in the tan version as well. It does come in a black and with a gold chain, which I want, but they are sold out of it right now. But this bag is so versatile. So you can put the chain on it like the white version, and you can go shopping, you can go out, do your thing, or you can take the gold chain off and just carry it as a pouch under your arm. I love this, and it does come with, hold on, I have the straps in here, but it does come with, I don't know, a string, a rope, I don't know, a shoelace, I don't know. It comes with this string thing that you, I guess, tie through the holes and somehow turn this into a crossbody bag. I don't know. I'm not using it. I'm throwing these out, to be honest, but I just wanted to keep them to show you guys. So you can technically carry this bag 3 different ways: with the gold chain, with no chain, or with the crossbody strap that it comes with. But I just think this bag is so cute. It's perfection. Like, if there's one thing that you're gonna buy from my recommendations, get this bag, because the white one is perfect for summer. The beige is perfect for winter, for fall. The black, which they're sold out of, is perfect for the winter. Like, pick up one of these bags, because I guarantee you when you unwrap it, you will not be disappointed. It is that good. So the next item, I'm going to insert a video because it's in my bathroom. So this is an acrylic 3-tiered skincare makeup organizer. I use it for my skincare, and you can see it's 3 levels, and it has trays that separate the different levels. And what I love about this is the acrylic is very sturdy, and you can also adjust the shelves to whatever level you need. So as I'm spinning it, you can see that I have mine set at different levels for different sized bottles, and then my very tall bottles are on the top shelf. I love this item, and it's a game changer for your bathroom or for your vanity, but I love it, and it saves so much counter space. Like, I highly recommend it. I've recommended it to so many people, and they all tell me they love it. I actually got one for my boyfriend for all of his skincare and shaving stuff, and it just makes our bathroom counters look so much cleaner and so uncluttered. I love it. I definitely recommend this one. So the next item I'm going to insert a photo for you guys is this clothing rack. I purchased this because when I'm filming or when I'm going to take pictures, I wanted some place to hang my outfits and kind of gather my thoughts and gather, you know, the accessories and everything like that. I found this one on Amazon, of course, and I think it was like $38. I highly recommend it. Now, I will say, it is a little bit wobbly when you touch it, but it's sturdy, if that makes sense. But what I love about it is that it's small. I don't have a lot of space in my house, so I don't want one that is super big. But the other reason why I love it is because it's $38. I've looked at so many clothing racks, and even the simple ones can be $100, $200. But this one is adjustable. It has, you know, 2 rows where you can hang clothes. It's got the thing at the bottom where you can put your shoes. And I love that the top has little hooks that you can pull out and hang more outfits. So it's very versatile. It's very influencer friendly, if you will. It's great if you're trying to prep your outfits for the week or for a photo shoot or for anything. I love it. So, and honestly, the wobbliness doesn't really bother me. The wheels glide like a dream. It's amazing. So if you're needing something like a clothing rack, but you don't have a lot of space, definitely check this one out. I actually may order another one or two of them because I love it so much. It's such a good find. So the last item is this super cute t-shirt dress. So it's pretty plain. It just goes down like this. Sorry, it's super wrinkled. But the one thing I love about it is it's comfortable as anything. It's soft, it's stretchy, it's just a good everyday casual comfortable t-shirt dress. But what makes it super cute is the back. So the back is like this, it's crisscrossed, and I just love that little added detail to it. So it's taking something very simple and basic and just kind of adding a little sparkle to it. But this dress comes in a ton of colors. I want to say like 20 different colors. So I actually already ordered 4 or 5 more different colors of this dress because it's perfect for summer. It's lightweight, but it's not see-through. And who doesn't love a stretchy t-shirt dress? So these are all of my Amazon favorites for spring and summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know any good items that you found on Amazon down in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to see your beautiful face again. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you all very soon. Bye, guys.